understand what you go make man they look in fellow man. Homo people when they here. Eh? You homo with this head. Who are follow? How man go carry fellow man? I don't understand. Woman to woman, they explainable. Girl and girl. For example, these two beautiful ladies, if they are two, they do lesbianism. Is they explainable? You're gonna hear something like, ouch, oh Lizzie, ouch, cheesy, ouch, Lizzie, put your hand inside, oh, suck it, ouch. It is sweet for ear. Are they like, how man and man go to do homo? Imagine DJ Odiho now. Imagine DJ Odiho. And this my chairman na joke I come. And this my chairman. Imagine say they want to do homo. Imagine say now this my chairman now na woman. This Odiho na man. This my chairman now with him black face, kodo, ingo tonyash, hair, ajin, aquara, everything. Ingo just turn up. This one like go from back. Conde na kind. How man want to give man soundtrack? How man normally if you carry girl, she gonna say, oh my God, fuck we hard. Oh, how man want take the do am? You gonna have to tell her, oh boy, take a miss, oh boy. Oh boy, you go with me, oh boy, Jiriama, you get me on my hot touch, boy, you get me on my oh Jesus. How, man? I've been watching this table from there. Chairman, I want to tell you something. This is Mattel. You don't rush it. This is Mattel. Excuse me, sir. If you want to drink this drink, watch me. Watch. They know the Russia. First of all, you pour small. If you pour small, they know they use Coke, Miss Mattel. That was where you got it wrong. Now, you swallow them. If you like them, pour again. That's Mattel. Now, if you want to drink the second one, first one you swallow them, second one no swallow them like that. You go drink them 2 times. 1, 2. Now, how you drink Mattel no be how you drink Coke. If you want to drink Coke, when they open Coke, you go foam. No, calm down, hold on where. Open them gently. You see how? You see as you foam small. You come. And I dey craze. Since I come, they don't give me drink. Give person drink on the wine. My brother, 50,000. Who throw this money? Who throw him? Who throw him? Now 50,000. You will not throw. You say my account. Now your type, they sabi other people plate number. You know go get car. Who throw this money? Boss. I reach my boss. I mean, help me pray for him. Boss, anything where they pursue, any sudden death is not your portion in Jesus' name. Accident is not your portion in Jesus' name. In fact, boss, anything where they pursue you this week, make that thing leave you, they pursue me in Jesus' name. If you pursue me for 2 days, you don't get me. Make it still they pursue you in Jesus' name. I know what you do. Other people now they throw 2, you reach my turn and I can't throw 1. Nah, it be like you don't broke. Another one. Hey, 3. Other people now 5. Oh. Hey, 4. Other people now 6. Una don't broke. Una don't broke. Una why know before? By now you gonna reach 1 million. Una don't broke. Oh. Una don't broke. Country no good. Then you carry woman. You. 5 years, eh? Might give you. I think say be DJ. I don't know say be Curtis. So. My brother, I go one show for Ikorodu. I don't know say na so that place be. I finish show. I dey go house. 3 guys just call me. As I just dey pass, 9 the guys call me. Ace, comedian, show. I don't know what's in that, but I go answer these boys. You know say, you get a kind slap one person go give you. That person will slap you, no talk anything. But inside your ear, you gonna hear something. Now in the first one, give me for my ear. Teuru. I dey hear for my ear. Open your phone. I collect my phone, open for this guy. The other one from back, give me. Taser. I dey hear for my ear. Run. Now, I dey come back from Aja, Sangotedo. Person won't collect my phone for early morning. I dey do road work, they come. Person won't collect my phone from bush, come out, follow me, they run. Next thing, why here? Oh boy, where your phone? I give him the phone, the guy enter inside bush. As I still dey run, another person come out to collect the phone. Now me come tell the person, Chairman, you come late. The other person don't collect her. I like how you're laughing. Are you a virgin? You don't see you a virgin piece before. If virgin call your house 1 piece, very sweet and romantic. Oh my God, Rufus, your house is fine. Oh my God, she go to shy. Where is your toilet? You go tell her, she go enter. She go just go shift her this, you go, yeah. Simple. On another thing they call Akwampi. On another thing be Akwampi. I showered on peace for your house before. Hey, from door, they run the fine toilets. From door, Rufus, toilet, toilet. You go just show them, they go enter, you go here. You go there, boom, boom, boom. You go come add a small mess. I shall, I beg, I don't too get time. I don't even know, say, why this money they scatter? I might pack my money, they go, fuel money don't show. M.O.P, you know, you come perform, money go soon finish.
Anything you do in this life, no die you. Mobile don't die now. Girls using song, they sell waist trainer. Ask about me. Buy your waist trainer. That is inevitable, Baba. This Access Bank manager we die. Nothing no say this life, Baba. No. With the suffer Super Eagles own. In your family nana too. Then just watch ball finish. They can't lose person. Can imagine what they go through. I want a double pain, bro. I mean. But death no get shame, or death no get respect. Like, you know when I take give up for death, now when Wizkid mama die. Like, why? What things you need for this life? We have picking, no you provide. Starboy money day. You can travel around the world. Anything where they hungry you. Healthcare, it day. But death still career. You know, some of our mates for village, we get useless sons. Still there alive. Your picking go cause problem, go play bets. This person phone, then go arrest her, and the woman go sell firewood, still come bail her. She's still alive. This woman can't die. After in death, Burna Boy just run, do tribute. No one here say, oh mama, do condolence. But that Burna Boy mama no fit die, bro. You know Burna Boy mother? Where they mount in bikini if they perform. You think one kid that woman will be like, who be say after performance, if the bikini carry 2 girls, go carry 2 boys. But I'm gonna no post this one. Now slip of tongue. Now my show title. Now slip of tongue, yeah. Burna Boy beats me. I want to know Port Harcourt boys, but if he beats me, my career go end. I beg.